everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you a very quick video in Power BI on how you can change the currency that's being displayed on a certain chart. Now, how to do that is if you select the chart which is showing the currency you'd like to change, and you want to check on the right to see which actual table that data is coming from. So as we can see in this example, it's sum of invoiced amount. And then what I'm going to do on the left here is if you go to model view and you find that table and that field, so sheet, invoiced amount, and once I select on it, if you scroll down and you can see here currency format. So let me just change that. So I'll change that to the euro now. And there you can see that's changed that to the euro. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel and take care. Thank you.